Diplomatic efforts gain momentum to find a solution in the Iran-Israel conflict. Well, the Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi met with foreign ministers of Britain, France, and Germany in Geneva. However, the Iranian Foreign Minister said that there is no room for negotiations while attacks continue. The Israeli military said it carried out strikes on dozens of military targets in Iran overnight. And on the other hand, the United Nations Security Council also met to discuss the situation between Iran and Israel. Fuzail Ahmed reports. The conflict between Iran and Israel entered its second week, but there is no let-up in exchange of strikes. The Israeli military said on Friday it carried out strikes on dozens of military targets in Iran overnight.
We struck the building of SPND, the headquarters of the nuclear program in Tehran. This headquarters building is used for research and development of advanced weapons.
While in Israel, bomb disposal experts worked on Friday to remove explosives from a site of an Iranian missile strike in Beersheba, which caused a crater in the ground and damage to residential buildings. Amid escalating tension, efforts gained momentum for diplomatic solution. French President Emmanuel Macron pushed for returning to the negotiating table concerning Iran's nuclear program. In Geneva, foreign ministers of Britain, France, and Germany met with their Iranian counterpart. Israel's UN ambassador Daniel Meron briefed media in Geneva.
We are operating in the name of regional stability and global security, and we expect the international community to be clear and steadfast in support of removing the imminent existential threat against Israel.
Prior to their talks with Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi, foreign ministers from Britain, France, and Germany, known as the E3, plus the European Union's foreign policy chief, met at a restaurant in Geneva on Friday. Ahead of their meeting, the Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi also addressed UN Human Rights Council in Geneva.
Our peaceful nuclear facilities have also been targeted, despite their being under full monitoring of IAEA, and despite the fact that attacking such facilities are absolutely banned under international law.
Earlier, Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi rejected any negotiations with the United States while Israel continues its attacks on Iran. Also on Friday, the United Nations Security Council met to discuss the situation between Iran and Israel.
Diplomatic solution is within reach if the necessary political will is there. Elements for an agreement have been discussed. The IAEA can guarantee through a watertight inspection system that nuclear weapons will not be developed in Iran. They can form the basis of a long-standing agreement that brings peace and avoids a nuclear crisis in the Middle East.
Meanwhile, container shipping company Maersk said on Friday it had temporarily paused vessel calls at Israel's Haifa port amid escalating conflict with Iran. Fuzail Ahmed reports for DD India.